Hello class 9 students. In last class we have seen the numerical based on the Boyle's law. Today we'll see a new type of numerical based on the same kind of law, that is Boyle's law. So over here the question is, a gas occupies 600 centimeter cube under a pressure of 760 millimeter mercury. Find under what pressure the volume of the gas will be reduced by 20% of its original volume, the temperature remaining constant throughout. So this is the question given to you. First we'll try to write down the given. So in the question it has been mentioned that the volume of the gas is reduced by 20% of its original volume, and original volume over here is 600 centimeter cube. So we'll find 20% of original volume. What is the value? So 20% of original volume is 600, so it will be given by 20 divided by 100 into 600. That will come as 120 centimeter cube. So this much of volume will be reduced. That means, so therefore the new volume of the gas will be 600 minus this one. 20% of original volume will be 480 centimeter cube. Now we got the new volume. Now from the question, the volume that is given is V1, initial volume 600 centimeter cube, and at a pressure of 760 millimeter mercury is P1, that is initial pressure. After that you are asked to find under what pressure. That means you need to find the value for P2, and what else is we calculated V2. So this is the final new volume of the gas is the B2, 480 centimeter cube, and a condition has been mentioned that the temperature remain constant. That means we can apply Boyle's law over here. So from Boyle's law we have got P1 V1 equals to P2 V2. When we substitute the values, we got 700 into 600 equals to P2 into 480, and therefore P2 equals to 700 into 600 divided 480, which will come as 875 millimeter mercury. So this is the final pressure that we need to calculate. Don't forget to write down the unit. So your assignment will be, you'll copy this question number 1, you'll copy this solution, understand it, and after that you'll go for question number 2 and 3. So question number 2 is, at a constant temperature, volume of gas was found to be 400 centimeter cube at a pressure of 760 millimeter mercury, and if the pressure of the gas is increased, now over here it is increased by 20%, find the new volume. The second question is, question number 3 is, 800 centimeter cube of a gas is collected at 654 millimeter pressure. At what pressure would be the volume of the gas reduced by 40% of its original volume, the temperature remaining constant? So this numerical and question number 1 is similar. So first you'll try to understand this question number 1 numerical, and you'll solve this 2 and 3, and you'll send it in my mail.